This is a quick, simple, tasty and healthy Chinese asparagus stir-fry recipe. We have here about 12 asparagus. Cut the asparagus diagonally into 1-inch pieces. This is 5 scallops cut into half and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute the garlic until fragrant. Add the scallops and fry for 1 minute. Remove the scallops and set it aside. Leave the garlic behind. Add the asparagus and fry for 30 seconds. Add half a bowl of water. Cover and let it cook for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, give it a quick stir. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and return the scallops into the wok. Add some cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce, and this is ready. Do not overcook the asparagus. They should be just cooked, still green and crunchy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.